In front of me is OPPO Reno 13F, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to choose Device Unlock and tap on Screen Lock. Now pick one of those screen lock types. Wait 5 seconds. Choose Next and create your login method. If you change your mind, hit use a different password type and pick one of those. Either way, after creating it, you need to repeat it to confirm it. Decide if you wish to use fingerprint unlock right away by setting it up, or hit cancel and do it later. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!